What's up with it? Back at it again with another video. You guys see what's going on. I got a whole lot of packages going right now. I'm just circling it around. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna reveal everything that I got for you guys, alright? So as you can see right here, we got the side marker LED lights. We're about to change this car around. These are the blue cons right here. We're gonna get started and install these first. I want to get these out of the way. That way I can work within the wheels and get those done. Next, what we got from Amazon, I got these are the interior LED strips. I'm gonna run these strips across the dash, and then I'm gonna run them to the doors also. So I got this here, got the wires in here. This should be pretty easy to do right here. Excited about this, all right? And I know you guys are excited too because these modifications are coming to the car, all right? That's one right here. All right, what's next? I've already opened the box up, right? Oh, carbon fiber front splitter. This is a replica. This is not the real carbon fiber, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's lightweight, right? I think. I don't know. There goes this. Don't mind me putting it on the car. It's not gonna scratch it. Stuff is brand spanking new. There we go. Trash. All right, there goes the right side. Right, your right side. People watching. So that's gonna go there. There goes the middle. I'm gonna step on this. I'll put it right here. And then here comes the other side, I believe. Now, guys, what the heck, bro? I'm not even gonna lie to you. Where's the hardware? Where are the screws? I don't even have screws for this. This is crazy. Maybe it's in the box. I don't know. Couldn't feel it. Oh, it's in the box. There it goes. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, no instructions, but not bad. I'll take it. I'll figure it out. Pretty easy, right? So this should be fun. I'm guessing it's gonna be fun putting this together. So I have to make sure I don't lose that, so I'll put that in here. All right. What's next? Oh. Back that in. Oh yeah. Rear diffuser. Carbon fiber. Plastic. Replica. Very lightweight. No saving weight at all. I mean, we're reducing weight or whatever, but this is only for show, guys. Tell me, what do you think about it? Did I get the right thing, right choice or not? Looks like I'm gonna have to be cutting some holes already. All right, put this in the back. I'm gonna put this in the back right now. Oh, yeah. It's gonna look good. Freaking excited. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look great. Let me get my one. Hey, screws if I need them. Right? Don't try this at home. What's in here? This is the last box. What's in here? I'm already bagging stuff up. Oh my goodness! This is the wicker bill. Oh man, it's actually longer than I thought. So I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. This is fun. All right. So where's the second port? Right here. So this goes right there, I'm guessing. On top right here, just like that. right. What else? So let's lock it up. All right. So split it. This is what it's supposed to look like. Like that. All right. How does that look? That's gonna look good right here. That's gonna look real good. Kicking everything out of the way. That's gonna look nice. Let's walk to the back. The rear diffuser, it's gonna look so good. Look at that. I don't know. Look at that. That's gonna look real nice. I should probably like try to tape it. But jacking it up, scratching it up. You guys are gonna see the before and the after. So have photos of all this. I got the jack ready to the side of the side markers. So let's go ahead and get started. Dive right in, all right? This is gonna be nice. My goal is to finish this in under 3 hours. 3 hours, we're gonna get started. 3 hours, let's get it done, all right? I feel like I should be done with everything on the outside in 3 hours, and then I'll work on the interior. The interior should be fairly easy because I'm just gonna connect the wires around, cut them. Man, I might want to run them to all the way to the back. I don't like wire showing and putting it on the 12 volt. It just looks disgusting. So I'm gonna fix that, get this ready. Know you guys are excited. Stay tuned, keep watching because I'm keep creating more. I keep getting more, a whole lot. So guys, make sure you keep watching, all right? Let's go ahead and start this process and get it started. I'm already stepping on my carbon fiber right here. This stuff cost me $1,000. No, it didn't. But let's go ahead and get started, all right? Now to the back. Yeah. 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 All right, YouTube, back at it again. It's another day, another beautiful day. I'm glad it's sunny out here, but I finished up the HELLCAT. I'm finally done. I'm gonna show you guys the reveal inside first. So let's go ahead and go inside, all right? All right. As you can see here, nope, you can't even see it, right? All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crank the car up for you, and you're gonna see something different, right? If you recognize something different, let me know, all right? I want you to see the difference. I'm going to surprise you guys because I said I was going to surprise you guys. So let me go ahead and crank the car. Ooh! You want to hop in the car? Hop in the car, man. I don't know if you can hear me, but let me close up the window. Y'all see the stars in here? Y'all see the stars? All right, let me close the windows so I can show you. All right, can you guys hear me? I don't even know why I'm asking you like the video's on. But as you can see, right, I'm about to shock you guys right now. I added these lights here. And we're not done. I got some more, all right? All right. Boom, all right? I've added the interior LEDs. I've added them in the back, as you can see. Both sides. Man, I done changed this car around, boy. With the blue stars, too. Man, let me go sit in the back, man. I think I might have a better view, but no wires hanging out anywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Stop playing with me. I really do this, man. I really do that. Flush with the door. You can't even see it. What you talking about? Oh yeah. Oh, we live here, boy. See that white strip down there, you're not really supposed to see that. I can cover that up if I want, but you see the stars. All right, now I'm gonna show you the exterior. All right. All right, guys. All right. Calm down. I told you guys this was gonna be a freaking banger, bro. You guys should see how this car turned out. It turned out better than I expected. Turned out real nice. Now it's time for the real reveal. All right, the real official reveal. All right, let's go ahead and show you. Boom. All right, look at that. I installed, don't mind that one over there. I installed the lip here yesterday. Yup, this is a one-man job. You can do it by yourself, man. You see, if you come check out the back, ooh, these tires right here, I put them on for use. You know, I wanted to use those yesterday, so I go in ahead and use it. But check out the back, man. Check out the back right here. This back right here is freaking crazy, bro. See, check out the wicker build I installed yesterday. All right, check out the diffuser. Woo, boy, this car is looking fire now, man. I think we're ready to go conquer the world. With this front lip right here, man, and the way that it sits right now, man, it is freaking stealth, I tell you. Look at that thing, bro. Just look at that and tell me that doesn't look great. Just lie to me right now in the comment section below and say it does not look great, all right? Man, it was a lot of work. Nah, it wasn't a lot of work. It took me about 3-4 hours to do the whole thing, but you can do it by yourself all at home. Man, this freaking thing looks good. This is the dream that I have for it. This is what I visioned when I first bought it, and now I'm bringing it to life. There's a few more things I gotta add. As you can see, the side skirts right here I gotta add, and then I want to add that I guess you call it the back rear windshield. I don't know what they call it. It just got a lot of names. You just put a window spoiler and it'll come up. But look at this car, bro. Look at this car and tell me that it does not look good. Lie to me right now. Just go ahead and lie to me. This car is freaking nice. And on top of that, it got a mid-muffler delete. You know how good this car sounds now? This thing sits in factory. I think factory they should come like this. If you're paying this much money for a car, at least come with some fake carbon fiber. You see what I'm saying? At least come like this, all right? Now with the side skirts, man, that's gonna be a killer, bro. That's gonna be a killer. I got a vision for this. Wrap coming soon. Twin turbo kit we're already in the works for. Guys, I need you guys to subscribe now to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You have to subscribe. We gotta be able to get you guys to watch these videos. That way YouTube recognizes that. Because if you don't watch it, who am I gonna wrap the car for, all right? Because I'm about to put a poll up that says, what color do you guys want me to wrap this freaking Hellcat, man? All of this here is for you guys to see, so I'm making it for you. See, we want it to look better, so you guys go ahead and support the channel. You go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and comment, bro, because we got a whole lot coming to the channel. We got a lot coming to the channel, a whole lot, all right? Guys, man, I mean, like, seriously, man, seriously, like, and you guys just saw the interior. I'm gonna show you guys the interior at night. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys just an interior kind of view of the stars and the LED strips that I put in. They were pretty easy. If anybody would like, I think let me explain it now. Let me explain what I did basically with the LED strips. So guys, with the strips, right? All you have to do is put it in here. There's the actual strip that you're gonna thread inside and then cut it. You're gonna connect it to, there's a connector piece that is up under there. You can't see it right now. Like, I gotta fix this here. Like, I'm gonna fix this right here. That's easy. But there's a, you connect into it. I got mine under there. I got one under here. And then the rest of the tour behind the seats. I got them tucked away where you can't see them, right? Don't mind the car that is dirty. But that's just a little explanation of what it's done. If you guys actually want to see a tutorial of it, I don't mind, because I'm gonna end up putting it on other cars anyways, and I'm gonna be putting stars in other people's cars, so I can go ahead and show you guys the video of me doing that. So if you like to see that, comment below. If you like to see more of me doing the work on the car and everything, just go ahead and comment below, because I'll do it, no problem. The channel is for you guys, not for me. All right, keep watching. All right, tell me this doesn't look freaking good right here. Tell me this does not look good, man. Look at that. I got some on the door, on the back doors here too. I did all 4 doors. I mean, this light changes the car, including the stars. Man, this is called a freaking HELLCAT Rolls Royce AMG, bro. That's what it is, bro. Man, let's go ahead and open all the doors. Look at that. You can even see it through the freaking window, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear me through the car. Let me go to the other side. Yeah, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. All right guys, I'm gonna close the vlog out right now, but as you can see, I ran the strip right here for the door. I got the middle console right here, all one. All of that is just one strip. Then I got the door over there, individual. Then I have this one here, and then that one right here. So we have done it. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna turn the car off and maybe you can see it better. Let me see if I turn off the car. Then I'll turn off the lights. All right, and that's how it looks right here. Tell me that does not look good. But hey, appreciate you. More coming to the channel. I've already told you guys there's a twin turbo kit coming, and then I'm talking to some people about a wrap. All right, keep watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. All right, tell me this does not look good. If not, you're a liar. Wow, look at that. Just look at that, man. This is, again, this is called a HELLCAT Rolls Royce AMG. Look at that. But that, woo, wicked.